Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Wonderful Waste. Wonderful means extremely good. We can say awesome, okay? And waste means the thing which is not usable. So now, waste can be quite useful. Find out for yourself from this story. So sometimes the waste means the thing which is not usable, we can't use it, okay? So waste can be quite useful. It means waste things are also useful. Find out for yourself. You can find out by your own from this story when you will read this story. So let us read this story. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. So palace here, palace means the official residence of a king. It means a building in which king lives. So once the Maharaja of Travancore, it means Travancore, it is a place, okay, ordered a grand dinner in his palace. So Maharaja of Travancore, what he did, he ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. So survey means to view in detail, to inspect. It means the Maharaja went inside the kitchen to observe the things, to observe the dishes closely. Clear? That had been prepared for the feast, and feast means a large formal dinner, because the Maharaja was he was organizing one feast. So in the afternoon before the dinner, it means before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey. He entered to kitchen for looking the things, looking the dishes closely that had been prepared for the feast. The things, the dishes, those were prepared by the cook. Actually, the Maharaja went there for observe the dishes. What are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? So king said that, what are you going to do with those vegetable scraps? Scraps means small pieces. So by seeing the vegetable scraps, the Maharaja told like this. Maharaja asked from the cook. He asked the cook, pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook, and he pointed the basket of the scraps that is near the cook. The cook replied, they are waste. We will throw them away. So the cook said that they are waste. They are unusable. We will throw them away. We will throw them away. We will not take use of these waste material. We will throw them away. You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. So the king said that you can't waste all these bits and all these pieces of vegetables. Find a way. Way means method. Find a way to use them. It means find a method to use them. You just find a way to use them. Use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly. Sternly means very seriously, and walked away. So Maharaja commanded him that use these bits and pieces of vegetables very seriously. The cook was in a fix. In a fix means a situation hard to escape from. It means the cook was in a fix. It means the cook, uh, in front of the cook, a situation arise that he cannot escape from. It means he cannot save himself from that situation. So the cook was in a fix. It means he was very in a situation that he cannot left, and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. Staring means to look fixedly. So sometimes he looks fixedly with open wide eyes at the vegetable scraps for some time. Sometimes he just observed fixedly. He looked fixedly. He observed the vegetable scraps, that what I should do, what I can do with these vegetable scraps. Suddenly. Suddenly means in a moment, in a short time. An idea flashed across his mind. Flash across his mind means suddenly think of. So an idea came to his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he took all the vegetable pieces and washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. After that, what he did? He cut them into long strips, into long pieces. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. And after that, what he did? He just put them in a huge means very large, very big pot and placed it on the fire to cook. And he kept it on the fire for cooking. Next, he ground. Ground means actually ground. Sometimes, many times we heard the ground, playground is also there, but it is not that playground. It is the past tense of grind. So ground means past tense of grind. Grind means when we mix the thing. He grind some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. So after that, he grind the fresh coconut and green chilies and garlic together. It means these three things he grind, and after grinding these three things, he added this paste to some salt, and in that particular paste he added some salt to the cooking vegetables, for cooking the vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. So tempting means inviting, very attractive smell started coming from the pot, and very attractive smell was coming from the pot. Now he whipped. So whipped actually it is the past tense of whip. Whip means to move quickly. It means when we just in Hindi we can say mathna. जैसे हम दही को मथते हैं ना, in the same way he whipped some curd and added it to the curry, and he added it to the curry. It means he put the curd into the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. And what he did? He just added few spoonfuls. It means some spoon of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves, and he added the curry leaves also. It means with the curry leaves he decorated that dish. Lo and behold means look what a surprise. Look what a surprise. The new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guest that evening, and the cook served that dish. It means he just put that dish in front of the guest that evening. Everyone was eager. Eager means very excited. They were very excited. It means everybody was very eager to know the name of the new dish. That what is the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. It means the cook thought and thought. Actually, thought is also past tense of think. So the cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. What he named it? Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. So now Avial became very famous, and where it became very famous? All over Kerala. It means in Kerala it became very famous and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. Traditional feast means hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. So whenever there is any special occasion, the Kerala people, they served it. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. And how it came? How Avial came? It came from the basket of waste. Thank you.